All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, all. Okay. Welcome back to Brainy Bites tutorial. All right. So what we're doing in this our channel is that we talk about things that concerns JAMB, admission, post-UTME, WAEC, and NECO. So if you are any of these candidates, please, I want to encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on all bell notification because it is important because here in this our channel will give us updates as long as you're a subscriber of this channel. You are not There's no way you are going to miss out with anything that concerns update because we give updated news about your schools of choice. So it is important for you to subscribe and turn on all bell notifications so that whenever we drop that update, YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to check out the update. All right. So if you look at today's topic, we're going to talk about the DELSU 2024 pre-degree form. Right, DELSU 2024 pre-degree form. That's basically what we're going to talk about. All right, so we're going to look at the advantages of pre-degree. We're going to look at the does pre-degree guarantee admission. All right, so we're also going to look at how DELSU 2024 pre-degree form works and how it looks like. All right, so before I continue, we have a WhatsApp community that is basically for our 2024 registered UTME candidates. Alright, of course, you yourself, you can become one of our registered candidates. Alright, so the only way you can become one of our registered candidates is by letting me know on the WhatsApp session or on the comment section that you want to join our WhatsApp community. Alright, I'll be right there to give you my WhatsApp number. Then after getting to know you on WhatsApp, I will have to add you to our community. Okay, so there in our WhatsApp community, you have access to WAEC answers for free. You have access to NECO answers for free, and you also have access to your school updated post-UTME past questions, and you can interact with your fellow aspirants there in the group. And very last one, next year we are going to launch a program that will help you as our admitted candidate in school. Alright, so if you want to be one of our admitted candidates, then you have to join us. Alright, so we'll launch our program next year. It will basically help you in school. Alright, so it will help you in school because you and I knows that it is not all the money that your parents, your guardians will be giving to you that will be enough. So that's why we are here to assist you. Alright, so let's get right to the video. Okay, so um first of all, I want to ask, people are asking what is pre-degree program and how is it like. Okay, so we're starting with pre-degree is basically a 1 year academic program, okay, that is being organized by Nigerian institutions. Alright, so DESU, for example, is a program that is being organized by DESU. Alright, so it's a 1 year program. That means you will have to buy the form, and when you buy the form, they will admit you, and after admitting you, you will start the program, and the program will last for a year. Alright, so you will have to, they will also ask, is it like an undergraduate program? It's more of like an undergraduate program because we have to pay school fees for it, and the things they teach undergraduate year one is also what you are going to be taught in pre-degree program. Alright, so that's how it is. Alright, so that's basically how it is. So people will ask again, does pre-degree guarantees 100% admission? Right, please, from our own sense of reasoning and from our own perspective on, or from our own understanding and observation, pre-degree does not guarantee you 100% admission. We'll give you reasons why it doesn't guarantee you 100% admission. However, some persons will tell you that it guarantees 100%. Please, it does not guarantee 100% admission. The reason why it does not guarantee 100% admission is very simple, because you are going to write JAMB. All right, so let's assume that you bought the form for 2024. You are still going to register for your JAMB in 2025, and you are still going to write JAMB in 2025. So after writing your JAMB, you need JAMB national cutoff mark. That's to say that the cutoff mark, if JAMB cutoff mark is 160 and you don't meet the required cutoff mark, which is 160, you are going nowhere. If JAMB cutoff mark for that year is 170 and you don't meet up, you are going nowhere. All right, so that is not the only one. So after that, you also need to write post pre-degree examination, pre-degree final examination. Okay, if you still fail the exam, it becomes another problem. All right, so the question now is, if I pass JAMB and fail the pre-degree examination, will they consider me admission? They will consider you for admission because they believe that you are one of them and you have been with them for a very long time, for at least 1 year, and you have paid your school fees, and they didn't want you to feel the press that you have spent much, because the money you spend on pre-degree is just it's almost 100,000, right, or more than 100,000, right? So, and some persons will be like, after paying that pre-degree school fees, do I still need to pay another school fees in year one? Of course you need to pay another school fees in year one. So pre-degree is just like a lesson, all right? You have undergone the lesson and you need to pay the money, all right? So that's how it is. So they will want to consider you for another course. But if you didn't meet up with JAMB cutoff mark, and that is it for you, you're not going to be considered for any admission. All right, so you see, that's basically how it is. Okay, so you have seen the reason why I said it doesn't guarantee 100% admission. However, it will help you. So the only way it will help you with admission, or it will guarantees you admission, is only when you pass pre-degree exam very well, and you pass the pre-degree exam very well. Yes, you stand out by that particular time, and maybe that's the only angle that people looks and say it gives 100% guarantees for admission. All right, so but it doesn't. All right, so because the reason why those areas is important when you pass the two exams is because before school starts giving admission, they will consider people, their pre-degree candidates first. All right, so they will consider them first. So even if you pass JAMB and you do not pass the exam very well, they want to give you another course that related to what you applied for, instead of letting you go without admission. All right, and wasting a whole 1 year with them and you didn't get anything. So they want to make it look like that. All right, so that's basically how pre-degree works, and that's how it is. So if you want to ask when is the form coming out, it's going to come out soon, and you are still going to get the form here. I'll be the one to purchase the form for you if you feel like. So you subscribe and turn on bell notifications. So if you want to join us on WhatsApp, it is very, very important for you, so that once the form is out, you get the form and everything, and you also want get a whole lot of advantages being in our WhatsApp group. All right, so that's where I'll be ending this video today. I believe this video has answered the problem or the question for pre-degree. All right, so if you have any further question they want me to know, or you want to ask me, don't hesitate to let me know in the comment section. All right, I'll be ready to answer all of your questions. Or you have a very low JAMB score and you don't want to write JAMB again in 2025, please also let me know in the comment section, or you message me. Let me know. If you are too shy, you don't want people to know it's follow, just let me know in the comment section that you want to join my WhatsApp community. I'll give you my number. Then when I give you my number, you explain all of the things for me there. All right, so now I'll be right there to answer all of your questions. All right, so until I see you again in my next video, don't forget, I love each and every subscriber of Brainy Bytes. All right, I love you guys. Keep winning.